how to integrate Printify with Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you on how we can add or integrate the well-known POD platform or print on demand platform, which is going to be Printify, to be integrated into our store and start making some profits by dropshipping some of the elements that we have, like the dropshipping, not the dropshipping, but the personalized designed elements that could be considered as a drop shipping, also apparels, and a lot of items from this platform. Also customized or personalized items. So the process is going to be very simple. We are going to integrate a app or a certain integration into our Shopify store, and then we are going to proceed as the work. So how we can find this integration? We're going to head over our admin dashboard of Shopify store. From here, we are going to click on the search bar at the top and type in only Printify, just like that, Printify, and you are going to search for the integration into the App Store. So once you are on the App Store in here, you are going to click on this. This is the Printify Print on Demand. Then we are going to install that specific widget or that specific integration. In my case, it is going to be already installed, so I'm going to show it to you. Normally, you are going to get it in here, so we are going to finish your navigation, and then you're going to sign in into your account. If the app is not going to identify the account that you're going to use into this specific browser, because you need to use both of the platforms, Shopify, and Printify on the same browser. So you're going to get here the accounts saved in this specific browser. You're going to have the specific um, window in here. So basically, it is going to demand for you, unlike me, I have already this specific window, which is going to confirm our connection. You're going to have your store installed. And let's say that you are going to start from the point of Printify. You haven't opened up yet the Shopify store and you have already a Shopify store. I'm going to open up my Shopify store real quick because we need that link. Let's say that we have here the Printify opened and we did not open yet the Shopify store, or we haven't set up the installation of the app. This is the second way that you can install the widget or the app. You're going to click on here on the name of the stores at the top. You're going to see some of the stores that has been connected already. You're going to click on add new store. From here, you're going to get a list of stores and also some of the authentication ways. We're going to click on Shopify. Now we are going to type in the specific, or not type in, but paste the link. So we have here the Shopify link. We have here an example. We're going to paste it in here, click on connect. And from here, normally it is already connected. You're going to get a specific window that will take you to the Shopify specific app store, and then it will demand from you to install a certain app, and that app is going to do the same way in here. Now, everything is set up, our store is connected, and boom. Make sure that you have selected your store that you want to publish the kind of products that you are going to import from Printify. And here we have it. Now, what can we do, or what can we add, and how can we add a product from Printify to Shopify to sell it? I am going to let you see that. So basically, you are going to be on the dashboard. And from the dashboard, you are going to get some of the bestsellers element on Printify. You can see here that we have some bestsellers, some news, some updates, and etc. But this doesn't mean a lot for us. We're going to head over the catalog. From here, you're going to see all the type of the products that are available. Click on catalog, and you're going to see here the bestsellers, catalog of the home, and the new arrivals as side of the other categories. We have the catalog for home, which is going to be the bestsellers, Valentine's Day, early access, embroidery, new arrivals, and etc. These are going to be some special or specialized categories for the products. We have men's clothing, and each one of the big titles is going to have some little titles in there. So we have the t-shirt, hoodies, and etc. Women's clothings, kids clothings, food and health and beauty, accessories, and home and living. Basically, everything is going to be categorized and subcategorized into the items in here. So pick your choice of the item that you want to add to the Shopify store. For example, we are going to have maybe some glasswares. So let's check for the home and living glassware. So then we're going to have some of the products that are available to sell or personalize. We have the pint glass, sipper glass, rocks glass, and etc. Pick up your choice. For example, we're going to have maybe this whiskey glass, rocks glass, or this one. I think that this is going to be more modern or demanded. We're going to click on this. Maybe you're going to say, why did you choose that? It is going to be just an example, and also this type of glass is going to be really popular. So also the design is not going to be making a lot of, let's say, visual noises, but it is going to be fully transparent, and this is going to have some impact on the customer's mind, as you can see like that. So here we can see or check the quality of the glass or the super glass. And we can also see some of the designs that has been added. This is a simple design and it is going to be looking cool. I'm not going to lie. So you can go ahead and see the location where this product is going to be fabricated or produced. We have the United States and the Netherlands, and the price of it, which is going to be the unit price, and also the shippings. We have three options, I think, from $6.39. Now, what we're going to do is to click on Start Designing. Now, once you have clicked on Start Designing, you're going to see the label, where this is the printing area. You're going to get the printing area represented in here. So each one of the printed area is going to be separated with this tiny line or a continued line. And that means that each one of these specific quadrants or these specific fields are going to be representing a part of the glass. So for example, this line is going to be in here. So we are going to have this specific right placement for that, and this is going to be representing the metal, and this is going to be representing the left side of the glass. So as you can see, this is going to be set up just like this. I'm going to show you with the mouse how it is going to be labeled. So they are going to take this label just like that, something like this, and they are going to glue it in here, here, and here. So this is all the area. So this is all the printing area. What can we do for that? We can upload either a design, get an AI image generated within the specific AI assistant from Printify. We can add a text, for example, just we are going to select the font and we can add the text. We are going to type in here, for example, good drink, for example, and you can make it a little bit smaller. So we can put this text a little bit smaller and put it to the middle, just like that. And then what I am going to do is to add an element from the library. You can navigate through the graphics and add whatever you want. They are going to be copyright free, so they are going to be from Printify. And also you can add some of the designs that you have. Make sure that you are going to add a design without a background. For example, this one. I'm going to have this set. So I'm going to have it like this. And then we're going to set up the color of that. So I don't know where can I set up the color of the text. I need to set it up. So where is it? I think that we can No, I think that we can. This is the text. This is it, the font color. So I'm going to put it as this, and boom. I think that this is sufficient. Now we are going to save, or before saving the product, we're going to preview it on the realistic here, or the colorful, let's say, preview. So we're going to see the front, the context we have, the open one, and etc. Let's see the front. Looking good, looking simple. Here we are going to see the left, the back, and the right. So basically, you've got the idea on how we can have this. So basically, it is going to be like that. What are we going to do now is to click on Save Product, and then we are going to have it just like that. So we are going to import it to our Shopify store. We are going to click on the button of Publish, but before that, you are going to set up the price of that specific product. But I don't think that I have skipped that part. But you're going basically to have it just setting up the or modifying, as you can see, the design, not the design. I have made it an error here, but you can go ahead and get it. So you're going basically to modify the price, the description, also the title of that specific product before adding it to the Shopify store. And you're going to see it on the product section. So when you head over your Shopify store, you're going to have it in here. So it did not add it yet because it is going to be publishing in here, but this is it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.